In today's class, we are going to talk about numbers. Numbers are very important when it comes to French language, because it's a basic thing. You must know it. If you want to talk about age, you want to talk about money, you want to talk about time, you want to talk about dates, a lot of things, you want to talk about them, you need numbers. So, I want to use my time now and explain numbers from you from basic level to advanced level. Don't forget, this class is for A1, and on this channel I teach French language from basic level to advanced level. If today is your first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, because here I always bring French to very simple level for everybody to understand. So subscribe to the channel, so anytime I upload a new video you get a notification. I'm not going to waste my time. Let us start. So I have it here from 0 to 10. Look at it. This is 0. Look at spelling, and it's called 0. Yes, 0. Then 1 is 1. This is 2, 3. Don't forget to pronounce it the way I'm saying it. You can repeat after me. French is not only writing, there's also speaking. If I go for any exam, don't forget there will be writing, speaking. You understand? So try to say it as I'm saying it. Okay, let's come down here. This is 4. You can see the pronunciation here. 4. Nous avons 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that clear? Very important. You can play it back and listen to the pronunciation, and then you repeat it as I'm saying it. Okay, let's come down to this place. This is for 11 to 20. Here I have what? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So if you cannot learn everything today, try to master from 1 to 20 today. You understand? Very, very important. From 1 to 20 is very important. That's the basic one that you must know. Okay, let's move on. This is what? From 21 to 30. Now what you need to know here, there's a rule, very important rule. That is when you come to 21, you use A. You are going to say A, because you are going to say 20 and 1. That's for 21. As you can see, you have here 21. So there must be A between 20 and 1. That's 21. Now after that, you don't say A again. You understand? From 22, 23, 24 to 29, you don't say A again. So that's why you can see 22 here is what? 22. Then 23, 23. That is what you do. You can see it here. You can see it here. And then you can say it yourself. And another thing is that I want you to have access to this platform. You see, this platform is called TCF Master. If you are preparing for TCF exam or any kind of French exam, this platform will help you to pass your exam easily. You understand? So for example, now you have what? You have grammar, you have conjugation, you have vocabulary, you have pronunciation, and then you have a place where you can see books and you download and read. Now look at here, vocabulary. I'll click on vocabulary. Then you can see I have from A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. So vocabulary from each level, you can see them here. For example, I've selected A1, then I'll come down here and choose my topic. So I'm on La Famille. I can go to Les Couleurs, and then this is number we are talking about now. So if you check my platform, you can see I have done a lesson about La Famille and Les Couleurs. So now you're on number, so I'll click on number like this. So you can see it's looking for the topic about numbers. So if you have this, if I have access to this tab, this platform, you can come on the platform and learn French, everything you want to do. There's a site for exam also. You can go there and just go to some exams. TCF exam is there, correction is there, and anything that is your mistake, the platform is going to help you to solve those things and then tell you what to do so that next time you won't do those kind of mistakes again. So I think you need to have access to this platform. If you need it, you can contact me. I'll send you the link. So since it's thinking about the topic, let me go back to the numbers here. We'll come back and continue. So you have what? 21, 22. This is 22. This is 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, then 30 is what? 30. Is that clear? Alright, so let's go to tens. So these tens, you have 10, that's 10, you have 20, you have 30, you have 40, you have 50, you have 60, 70, 80, 90, you have 100. You understand? So now when you come to 30, you want to say 31, you see apply this rule. This A must be between 30 and 1, which is 31. You understand? You see apply it there. Then the same thing for 41, 51, 61. When you come to 17, you don't apply that because 70 is 70. So if you want to say 71, you say 71. You move to 11. You understand? So that's it. So you can see it here. That's 70 and 17 is what? 60 plus 10. That's the 70. So 71 is what? 71. 71. You understand? So you move to 11. 71. Then you have what? 72, which is 12. 60 and 12. So we have 80. 80 is 4 times 20, which is 80. Now 81, you see 81 is what? 81. 81. So we have what? 82, which is 82. Now when you come to 90, 90 is what? 80 plus 10, which is what? 90. Then 81, 91, 92, which is 82. Okay, let us check the other platform to see what is giving us there, and then we'll come back to this place. Okay, so voila, this is the platform. You can see bonjour, je suis Kojo, that's my name. So this place is not that important, but you can see the information here that if you want to talk about age, you want to talk about phone numbers, you want to talk about you want to buy something in the market, all those things, you need numbers. So here are the things we are going to focus on. See the platform now, you have 0 here. This is 0, and then you have a sentence about it. Il y a 0 erreur dans ton test. You see, so see 1, which is 1, you learn it. J'ai un frère et une sœur. See the sentences here. 2 is elle a 2 chats noirs. 3, you see, nous habitons au 3e étage. Okay, let me go to this place. You see this platform, this document is a PDF document. I'm going to put the link in the description so you can download it and have access to all this thing, because all these numbers now, after the numbers from 1 to 100, you have what? How to ask or how to say age. So if I say quel âge as-tu, how old are you, you say what? J'ai, then the age, that's a number. The age is number, so you say the number here, then you say 1. You see it here. So j'ai 18 ans, j'ai 25 ans, j'ai 30 ans. You can see. So those are the things you must master. How to say age, how to say age in French. Now see phone number, how to say phone number, which my platform was saying here. This platform also said is that if you want to talk about what phone number, want to buy something in the market, so very important. Okay, now this is it. This one's a phone number. See this phone number now. You're asked to tell somebody phone number. This is a 06 25 48 71 90. You can see. So that's how, those are things you need to know so that you don't put yourself into trouble. Okay, now this is the date in French language. This is the everyday issue. You must know how to say date in French. You understand? Okay, so you have premier, which is first, second, which is le deuxième. Nous avons troisième, which is le troisième. Ok, nous avons ça aussi. Et ici, nous avons numbers. If you want to ask question about numbers, how many, combien, what is your phone number, quel est ton numéro de téléphone, how old are you, quel âge as-tu, what date is today, quelle est la date d'aujourd'hui, etc. So here you have some. So this document, I said it before, I want to keep the link in the description. You download it and have access to it. And then also, if you want to have access to this platform, don't forget to send me email, and then I will send you the link so that you can have access to this platform. You can see after these numbers here on the platform, you can see in the platform here, this page have what? Expression idiomatique. Expression idiomatique. So this thing are things that all confuse people that are in B1, B2. You need to master expression idiomatique, because the way the sentence will be said, it will not be the same way they will explain it. For example, I said, we are saying se mettre sur son 31. Se mettre sur son 31. If you look at the meaning here, it's not the same thing. It's saying another thing entirely. You understand? So you need to master this. So it's on the platform also. Then you can come down here and do some quiz. Combien font 1 plus 1? 1 plus, that's 1 plus 1. Combien font 1 plus 1? You have option here 1, 2, 3. You choose the correct answer. That's why you do all of them and get to the last one, which is number 10. 10 moins 3 font combien? 10 moins 3. That's calculation. 10 moins 3. 10 minus 3. So you get the answer here. Then you click on check answer. So you see the one that you have done very well and the one you have not done very well. See this platform? So it will help you to master French very well. So you want to have access to it, don't forget to send me email. I'll put my email in the description also. So I think we have come to the end of the class today. And another thing is that if you want to join our WhatsApp group where we do one-on-one discussion, practical speaking, that is what we do in that group. So if you want to join the group, don't forget the link also will be in the description. Click on it and then have access to that group. So all those things are for free. Okay, see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if today is your first time on my channel. Bye for now.